Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine wherever you are. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find the location of any Instagram account. So you'll need to simply log into your Instagram account, and the next step is to select the specific account you want to check its location. Let's say, for example, I want to check this one here. I'll simply click on the profile, and the next step is to go to the upper right corner on the three dots here, and then go to about this account. Here we go. You can see that this account is based in the United States, and this user joined on 21st October 2014. So this is how you check a location of an Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you're not my subscriber already, and also don't forget to check the video description below to some recommendations that may be helpful to you. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you in the next video.